Hi, I'm Randy Vance. I'm the editor-at-large in Boating Magazine, and in all the years I've been boating, one of the things that I've noticed is electrical components fail with increasing frequency as your boat ages. It's the salt air, the moisture, the infrequent use, all those work together to cause wire connections and wires themselves to fail. But we've got a kit that we put together through Sierra Marine that's going to help you address everything that might go wrong on your boat. Sierra parts come with some of the strongest warranties in the marketplace. When connecting to a fuse panel or other threaded terminal, ABYC requires ring connectors screwed to the terminals. The connection where copper wire is crimped in terminal connector is a natural point where corrosion occurs. With heat shrink terminals, once the connection is crimped, heat from a heat gun or a lighter will shrink the insulating sleeve, helping prevent moisture from entering the crimp. Some boats use quick disconnects to connect to spade terminals. The female terminal is always attached to the wire and pressed onto the spade. Switches are another vulnerable electrical component on your boat, and it's a good idea to have a few spares. Sierra has many different styles to match what's already on your boat. Sometimes wires need to be extended when cutting a corroded terminal connection back far enough to remove blackened, corroded copper wire. A butt connector is the answer. Keep a selection of sizes on hand for each wire terminal, from 14 to 10 gauge, 10 gauge being the larger terminal. To remove old terminals and add new crimps, you'll need a crimping tool. Sierra has a tool complete with a small selection of terminal connectors. It can cut and strip wire and crimp terminals securely in place. The stripping teeth are marked for gauge wire to be stripped, and the crimping jaws have red, yellow, or blue crimping points for the appropriate size terminal. Another handy item is a circuit tester. Attach the alligator clip to a ground and probe the power line with a sharp pick. Complete and working circuit will light up the tool. Always keep a selection of fuses on board. They'll eventually save the day if a pump or other important accessory overheats. That's it, job done. And because I could find all the parts I needed at sierraparts.com, I didn't have to run around town filling my shopping list one part at a time.